Want to know how to manage block list on Facebook? You would want to manage block list on Facebook as it allows users to have more control over their online experience, privacy, and safety. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to manage block list on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here tap on the settings and privacy option. Again tap on the settings option. Likewise scroll to the audience and visibility section. And tap on the blocking option at the bottom. Here you can see the block list. You can add people to your block list by tapping on the Add Block List option. Furthermore, you will need to search the name of the people you want to block. And tap on the block option. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the block option to confirm your decision. Additionally, if you want to unblock someone, tap on the unblock button right beside the username. Again, a confirmation message will appear. Tap on the unblock option to confirm your decision. So this is how to manage a block list on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.